Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to create Fiverr account on your device. Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services. Fiverr's platform connects freelancers to people or businesses looking to hire, encouraging a wide range of services in a free market. In order to create your Fiverr account, make sure you have installed your Fiverr app on your device. Once you have installed your Fiverr app, tap on the Fiverr app icon to open it. Now you'll see this type of homepage on your screen. You can find two options that says find a service, become a seller. Right below it, you can find option to sign in or skip. Here you'll need to tap on sign in option. Since we are creating a new account, you'll have to tap in the join button on the bottom left corner of your screen. You can create your Fiverr account with Google, Facebook, or you can also sign up with email. Right now, we are creating an account with email, so you'll have to tap on sign up with email. Here, you will need to type in your email. Then you'll have to choose your username. Make sure you choose your username wisely since you cannot change it again. After you choose your username, you'll have to create a password. In order to create your password, you'll have to use at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and at least one number with 8 characters. After you are done creating your password, you'll simply have to tap in the sign up option. Here, they will need to confirm your email address. You'll have to go to your mail app and check if there is notification from Fiverr. Now as you can see, you have the notification from Fiverr in order to activate your new account. After you scroll a bit, you'll find the option that says activate your account. You'll have to tap on it. And just like that, you have successfully signed up in your new Fiverr account. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to create new Fiverr account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share and subscribe.